Hey guys, by now you should have seen my barbecue oven style rib video. Listen, this is how you should clean your ribs. The back of the ribs has some fat on it. It's like real smelly. You have to get that meat clean. Watch this video. It's a short video and see how to remove all the fat, all the waste from the meat. Then you will need to clean this vinegar or lemon juice to get your meat clean. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe, hit your notification bell, and follow your girl. It's free. I will be uploading more videos in November. I'm testing November as Friendsgiving. It's a giving month. I'll be uploading more often as I get the chance to. So watch this video, remove all that, I would say, debris, remove all that fat from your rib and clean your rib. I hope this was educational. In my rib video, I also shared some of the seasonings that I use to season my meat. Thank you. Don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and drop a comment. Thank you.
I'm in love with you. I'm in love.